Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today.
Pakistan's space ambitions take a leap forward as China grants limited access to the Tiangong space station. This move symbolizes deepening strategic trust between the two allies. While the access is currently non-permanent, it opens doors for Pakistani scientists and future astronauts to participate in joint experiments and low-orbit tech development. Pakistan's NASR missile system, short-range, nuclear-capable, and battlefield-focused, was designed to deter India's cold start doctrine. With a range of just 70 kilometers, it's meant for quick deployment in high-stakes border scenarios. A top U.S. general has sounded the alarm. China is advancing breathtakingly fast in space-based military capabilities. From anti-satellite weapons to dual-use space stations and deep space sensors, Beijing is preparing for orbital supremacy. Pakistan's tank arsenal has long relied on Chinese and Ukrainian designs, but can it now build a next-gen MBT like Turkey's Altai or South Korea's K2 Black Panther? Hayat Taxila has the infrastructure, and with Chinese support, development of a high-tech, modular.
You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Update, your front row seat to global defense power shifts. Stay tuned for full headlines. Don't forget to subscribe.
Pakistan and Azerbaijan are reportedly in talks to establish a joint weapons production facility in Central Asia. This would mark a historic step in defense collaboration between two strategic allies. The factory could focus on small arms, drones, and artillery systems, boosting both countries' defense exports and regional self-reliance. If finalized, it will not only strengthen ties, but also serve as a forward base to counter regional threats and influence Central Asian defense dynamics. It's a quiet move, but with massive geopolitical impact. A controversial new report claims Pakistan may be developing an intercontinental ballistic missile capable of reaching targets as far as the United States. While not officially confirmed, satellite images and intelligence leaks hint at extended-range missile testing facilities and re-entry vehicle work. If true, this would radically transform Pakistan's nuclear posture, shifting from regional deterrence to global reach. Experts believe such a move may be symbolic, aimed at counterbalancing India's ties with the West and asserting strategic independence. Pakistan's National Radio and Telecommunication Corporation, NRTC, has unveiled a cutting-edge, 6G-ready military communication platform. Designed for encrypted battlefield coordination, drone control, and satellite uplinks, this indigenous system offers real-time data flow across all three services. It's built to resist jamming, cyber attacks, and EMP events, positioning Pakistan as a regional tech leader in defense communication. With 6G specs already integrated, NRTC is preparing for the digital battlefield of 2030, where data is more valuable than bullets. In a quiet but significant shift, the UAE is expected to share live satellite surveillance data with Pakistan's military under a new intelligence sharing agreement. The UAE's Falcon Eye satellite network can track ground movement, missile launches, and maritime activity across West and South Asia. This feed would give Pakistan early warning capabilities and regional awareness beyond its current reach. The move is being seen as part of a wider Gulf-Pakistan strategic convergence, especially on regional threats and Indian influence in the Middle East. International reports have raised eyebrows with claims that North Korean and Pakistani scientists are covertly sharing rocket propulsion and fuel research. This alleged collaboration focuses on solid fuel booster tech and hypergolic propellants, critical for fast-launch missile systems. While both countries deny it, intelligence intercepts hint at shared research via third countries. If confirmed, this could trigger serious diplomatic fallout, especially as Western powers watch for nuclear tech proliferation. The question remains, how deep is the collaboration? India's defense tech sector just witnessed a milestone. Drone manufacturer Raphe has raised a staggering $100 million, marking the largest funding round for any Indian defense startup to date. The investment will accelerate the development of next-gen loitering munitions, swarming drones, and AI-enabled UAV platforms. Analysts say the deal signals growing investor confidence in India's indigenous military tech ecosystem
especially amid rising border tensions. Raphe systems are already being tested by the Indian Armed Forces, and this cash injection could position the company as a regional UAV powerhouse.
The Heavy Mechanical Complex, HMC, in Pakistan is collaborating with military R&D institutes on electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, bomb technology. These devices can disable enemy radars, communications, and power grids without causing physical destruction. The tech involves miniaturized capacitors, microwave generators, and directional energy release systems. Once operational, these bombs could neutralize entire airbases or missile sites electronically. It's a shift from explosive to disruptive warfare, and Pakistan is entering the EMP era.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.